Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 86 K10. It's what I call a driving project. There you see aftermarket bumper on it with a winch plate. There's your grill. It doesn't have that bottom part to hold it in there. Aftermarket hood. I can show you the body. It does have some rust, but it comes with body panels. So they changed out the door. Sometimes whatever that box came off is purple, but doesn't matter. New quarters for it. Seat's been done, so that looks good. Dash is in good shape. Gauges need some work. They're all there. Not all of them work though. Obviously needs a mat. Needs a door armrest. And wonder, that's got a Silverado door panel on that side, and it's got a custom deluxe one on this side. So may need to find another door panel. Said got box sides with it. The inside of the box looks okay. Looks like a cheap spray and bed liner at one time, so you'd want to redo that. Tailgate, that's one, doesn't come with a tailgate, probably could use one. It does have some rust here, but this is one you can drive the way it is. Got good tread on the tires, rally wheels, cab corners. I should have showed that on the other side, but it needs some cab corners. Rockers aren't too bad a shape, but does need a little rocker work probably too. I'll walk over there to show. Yeah, and I'd throw this bumper in the garbage to be honest, but this cab corner is the worst one. And then, like I said, the rockers are mainly surface, but they would need a little work. So one that a lot of bolt-on parts come with it, and you can restore it or drive it as is and restore it at a later time. We're going to start up our 86 K10. Runs good. It's had some motor work. You can hear the fan working. I believe it's got a radio. Yeah. Works, but no sound, so I don't know about no speakers, possibly. Doesn't want to seek either, but gas gauge doesn't work, temp gauge doesn't work, none of the gauges work except for this aftermarket oil gauge. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right, no horn. This comes with a bunch of sheet metal, so I would call this a driving project truck. Looks like they redid the seat, needs a new mat, door panels need some work, so, but runs great. Here they put some LED lights in there. There's your headlight, custom bumper there. You can see headers, power steering, power brakes, aluminum intake, just regular ATI distributor instead of the ESC we used in 86. Was an air truck, missing the compressor and the lines. Condenser, that's tranny cooler, but I believe the condenser might still be. Yep, condenser's still there. So it'll be easy enough to hook the air up. Good sounding dual exhaust. It's got custom tail lights, and they work. So, like I said, drive it the way it is and fix it as you go. Comes with fenders, doors, and box sides. So, neat little short box project. We're out driving our 86 K10 Shortbox. Into what I call a driving project, or a project in process mechanically. A lot of it's been done. Needs some little stuff, fuel gauge. Some of the other gauges does got an aftermarket oil pressure gauge down there that works. Speedometer's probably a little off with the big tires, probably 5 miles an hour. Drives good. Steering wheel off a little bit, needs alignment probably. Runs awesome, so all the lights work. partially started and just needs to be finished. Plus, it comes with all the sheet metal you need, except for I don't believe it has the cab corners, so you'd have to get them. But it has the box sides and doors and fenders. New aftermarket hood on it right now. So it would be a project that would be pretty easy to finish. Come out of western South Dakota. They redid the motor on it and stuff, so. And they converted over to standard HEI, got rid of that ESC and got aluminum intake and carburetor, so done a lot of stuff to make it better. So if you're looking for a driving project, drive it as is, or fix on it right away. 605-695-7391.